unbalanced chemical equations. An unbalanced chemical equation contains unequal number of some or all atoms of the reactants and products. For example, H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. Another example, H2 plus Cl2 is equal to HCl. In the above equation, the atoms of the reactants and product are not same. H2, number of atoms of hydrogen on its left side is 2. On its right side, it's also 2. The number of atoms of oxygen 2 on its left side, but on its right side the atoms of oxygen is 1. So in the above equations, the atoms of the reactants and product are not same, and this equation does not obey the law of conservation of mass. Now, balancing of chemical equation. The process of making the number of different types of atoms equal on both sides of an equation is called balancing of equation. H2 plus O2 is H2O. Hydrogen, number of atom of hydrogen is 2. Oxygen 2. But H2O, in this the number of hydrogen is 2 but oxygen is 1. So balancing it divided multiplied by 2 on its side, and now this left side is equal to right side, and hence the equation is balance 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. In this way, other chemical equations are also balanced, like CH2 plus O2 is equal to CO2 plus H2O. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen on its left side, and its right side 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen and 1 oxygen. So the ratio is not balancing. So on this we multiplied on this by 2, and then the chemical equation is balanced. Balancing of chemical equation. The process of making the number of different type of atoms equal on both sides of an equation is called balancing of equation. For example, 2H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. Now, the number of atom of hydrogen on its left side is 2 and oxygen 2. On its right side, the number of atoms of hydrogen is also 2, but the atoms of oxygen is 1. Here, यहाँ पर 2 ऑक्सीजन है, जबकि यहाँ पर 1 ऑक्सीजन है. मीन्स ये इक्वेशन बैलेंस नहीं है, हैंस बैलेंस अनइक्वल. नाउ 2 हाइड्रोजन 2, ऑक्सीजन 2, हाइड्रोजन 2 एंड ऑक्सीजन 1. इसको अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो यहाँ पर अब जो रेशियो बनेगा 4, इधर भी दोनों LH और राइट साइड दोनों, 4 हाइड्रोजन 4, ऑक्सीजन 2, यहाँ पर 2 2 ज़ा 4 and 2. Now hydrogen 4, oxygen 2. Here hydrogen 4 and oxygen 2. In this way the equations are balanced and other chemical equations are also balanced in this way.